Senator Kangata should have used other channels of communication to reach to the president. Him being a majority whip in the Senate, certainly it's a position he occupies with the approval of the president, and it means that he should be able to access the president in a different way other than through writing a letter. You write letters to people whom you cannot reach, people who are very far from you, and or people whom you want to document something for purposes of future reference. So I think Senator Kangata should have approached the president. I'm sure he can call the president. They have certainly talked to the president over the phone in the past, and this mode of communication is not an approved way in public service. What he has now done by writing this letter, he is trying to depict a system that is not functional. And you don't do that when you are part of a team. And I think either directly or indirectly, what he has also done is to energize those who are opposed to the BBI, those who have been having sentiments against the current government. It's just given them ammunition, it's fueled their base. And you can actually tell by the kind of vibe you see in the social media.